Oh, you got Rebecca in there too. Careful with that hammer, Rebecca. So what are you doing, Riley? You're doing what?
No.
You're fixing work on Daddy's tractor.
Can you see that?
Careful. She just hit herself in the head with that hammer.
Where'd you get yourself to?
Rebecca, hey, look at Mommy. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.
Grandpa and Archie?
Hi, Riley. What are you doing? What are you working on?
I'm working on my tractor.
On his tractor? Oh, are you a big helper? Yeah.
I'm trying to use the hammer.
What? You're not using a hammer. What are you using? No, your sister has the hammer. Rebecca, stop hammering Daddy's tractor. Hammer that? No. Stop hammering things. Hey, Riley, can you sing us a song? Rebecca, what about you? Can you sing me a song? Careful with that hammer, Riley. No. Riley.
I need this.
Rebecca asked you a question.
Clamping things?
What's this thing? What's this thing, Dada? It's a tool.
For clamping things?
Hey, Rebecca, I'm taking a little video. Do you have anything else you want to say?
This is money.
Money? No. Oh, the washers? Yeah, that's not money. Sad enough. We have lots of those. We'd be rich if that was money. What, Riley? Oh. Daddy needs that? Which? The beer can? Oh. No, I think Daddy will let us know if he needs it. Oh, are those your weights? Now you're working out?
They look like exercise. They look exercise.
Yeah, but they're not. Did you want to say anything else? Do you want to say anything about school?
Someone was strong at my school.
Somebody was strong at your school? Who?
The blue guy with that blue shirt on.
Oh. Okay.
It was at Sunday school.
Daddy, do you need this? Is that what he said? Oh, in Sunday school? Is that what you're talking about, Rebecca?
My class. Not at my class.
Alright, you guys, that's enough. Mommy's gonna go back inside. Hey, Riley. Rebecca. Hey, anybody want to say goodbye to Grandma and Grandpa?
Goodbye.
Can you blow a kiss, Riley? Oh. Okay, Rebecca, how about you? Where'd you go? Okay, I got you. Now what? Say goodbye, I love you.
Goodbye, I love you.
Blow a kiss? Okay.